Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's kind of crazy how I moved in this studio for almost a year now. When we first moved in here, this loft was not here. I designed it and I hired a contractor to build it for me. The idea that I had is to have a full living room area, meaning the bed is not supposed to be on the loft, it's over there by the kitchen. And so I designed this loft to be a cozy nook for my tea, coffee, matcha, which I think I did a good job. We have a little table right here where I used to have my matcha stuff on here, but I decided to move downstairs where my bar is because I hosted a internet cat cafe and I really liked it down there because it's more functional. There's a trash can, my sink, ice, and over to that corner we have the vintage IKEA shelving system. I have my Smeg over there, which is a drip coffee machine, along with some plants, some books, some ceramic, more small knickknacks. I have this really cute rug on here. There are floor chairs, floor cushion, but I think it is time to go. Not the whole thing. I'm basically just gonna be moving everything down to the bedroom area and then move my bed up here. Eventually I'm gonna be adding sliding curtains to cover the bed area, but for now I think it's gonna be really cute for the bed just being up here. At first the bed being over there was really cute, but since I do cook a lot, my bedding's starting to smell like food, which is kind of getting on my nerves. So for today's videos we're gonna be doing some arranging, and I think it's gonna be really cute using that area for like a tea room. So yeah, let's get started. First thing first, let's move everything out of the way so we can take down this shelving system.